What's up guys, welcome back to the Decent Garage. So I grabbed the camera because I'm working on some stuff, and I've kind of teased about this on Instagram, but before I get too far, I got to show you guys what I'm doing. So about a week ago, I found a guy on Facebook. I needed some railroad ties to make some more stairs, so I found some. I went and looked at him, and this guy was liquidating his whole property. He was getting evicted because his parents sold the property, and saw some dirt bikes. So I picked up 5 dirt bikes from this guy, and we're gonna get them running, sell a couple to make some money, and keep a couple as well. So let me show you all the dirt bikes we picked up, and I'll kind of give you a walk around. I've actually got 2 of them already running. So the first one, little Yamaha TTR 125 2005. This one's going to be the most work. It's in good shape, but it doesn't have compression, doesn't shift through the gear, so I'm going to do a full rebuild. I'm going to do a big bore 150 kit on this, and this is going to be my wife's bike. So that is the first one. This came with a title, which is excellent. Okay, the second one is right here. This is a TTR 230, same thing, 2006, came with a title, clean title. So this one, all I've done to it was I pulled the old battery out, put a new battery in, because the guy told me this one runs, okay? But the chain broke, it broke some of the spokes. It's only got the header on it, needs new tires, needs new handlebars. But sure enough, I put the battery in, and you guys are gonna love this, but listen. She fires right up. So he had this flagpole that he welded on here, so I'm gonna cut that off, and I have the stock exhaust right here, so we'll put that back on. And then this one, my uncle, he's gonna do a lot of the work to this, because we're gonna keep this as a kind of loaner bike for when friends and family are in town. So he's already ordered tons of parts for it. So that should be getting going here pretty soon, and my uncle may make a presence on the channel. So that one's sweet. The third one right here, this is the XR100 I've been working on. It is done. I restored this, painted the frame, painted everything, new tires, new brakes, put the whole engine, bottom and top together. This one runs. I'm just doing some carb tuning, and then this one I'm gonna sell. So that turned out pretty sweet. The tank's a little yellow, but besides that, this one's pretty sweet. So I didn't get this one from that guy though. This one I picked up a couple weeks before that. But here's the other one. This is a 2006 CR85. It is a sweet bike. This one is in the best condition. This one runs. It's having some jetting issues with the carb, so I'm working on that, but this one already runs. So all I'm gonna need on this, I pressure washed it. All I'm gonna need is a graphics kit, and then this one will be for sale. So we're gonna sell this one. This is gonna be the one that basically recoups the money we invested in all 5 bikes. So that's bike number 3. We have a TTR 125, a TTR 230, CR85. Now, the last 2 are a pair, and these are 2005s as well. Right here, so we have Suzuki, I believe they're RMZ 250s, they're 4 strokes. I've got all the plastics for both of them. I've got both seats for both of them. This one is missing the fuel tank and the Kickstarter, but besides that, I have all the parts for both of them. This one, the guy said he tore it apart because the frame cracked, so he did kind of some TIG welding, I guess you could call that. So it's strong. It's not the prettiest welding, but it's strong. It's all back together, and he said this one I should be able to put back together and it should start right up. So this one's pretty sweet. It's got a recluse clutch. It's got these matching yellow rims, which are super nice, really cool. So I'll probably do a new plastics kit on this and get it running, and this one will probably be for sale as well. And then this one, it's the same bike, doesn't have the recluse clutch. It does have the nicer wheels, but they're just mismatching. But this is a nice one as well. It's got like ASV levers and stuff. But supposedly this one overheated, and so this might need a little more work. I'm still deciding whether I'm going to do the work and rebuild it and sell it as a running bike, or if I'm just going to sell it off for parts. We'll see what makes the most sense at that point. But between the sell of this one and the CR85, we should be able to make plenty of money on it to buy truck parts. That's what we're doing. We're making money to buy truck parts. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm going to make some videos on getting these going, especially the 125. That's going to be a lot of work. The 230 my uncle's going to take and work on, so we won't get much footage of that, but it already runs. It just needs a lot of cosmetic stuff. So we'll do a video of the TTR 125. I'll show you guys the CR85 in another video, and we'll do a full rebuild video of the Suzuki 250 as well. So anyways, those should be fun projects. I know some of you guys like the dirt bike stuff, so I'm going to start including this on the channel. It's not going to be the main content. We're still going to focus on the trucks, but I'm learning carbs. I'm actually going to go learn from a guy next week. He's going to fix the carb on the CR85, and I asked if I could come hang out and watch what he does and have him teach me, and he said he'd be willing to do that. So I'm going to go hang out and learn how to do some of the carb work, the jetting and all that, and learn. I'm eager to learn, whether it's, you know, I'm learning a lot about the diesel stuff, but I like these small engines too. So anyways, should be really fun. So right now, real quick, I'm going to grind this old pipe off. We're going to put the stock one on, and then we'll fire it up and see how she runs. We can't drive it though because the chain broke. So let's grind that off real quick. There we go. Isn't bolted all the way in there, but should work. Alright, so that fired right up. From my limited carb knowledge so far, I believe that needs work on the pilot jet. It's probably plugged from sitting so long, because it seems like that early part of the throttle is what's bogging out just a little bit, but I'm still learning, so that may not be correct. But anyways, these bikes should be fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy some of this. We're gonna start rebuilding these, make a little money on them, have a couple extra bikes sitting around for the kids and family to ride. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of the dirt bikes? But thanks for the support. We will see you guys in the next video.